Welcome to this demonstration of DocQ's customer registration process. In this video, you'll see how the customer template is structured, how the editable form is customized, how the dynamic web form works, and how the document moves through the workflow, including approval, rejection, and final storage inside DocQ Drive. Let's begin. This is the customer registration template used in the workflow. Inside the document, you'll see placeholders such as requisition number, requisition date, and department. These double bracket variables act as placeholders. During execution, DocQ automatically fills each variable with data captured from the form. Only formatting changes were applied to keep the document clean and easy to read. All variables remain exactly as they are. On the Variables tab, you can also see the full list of fields automatically created by the form, including signature and attachment variables. Before the user sees the web form, DocQ allows full customization of all fields. Every field you're about to see, text inputs, drop-downs, signatures, can be created, renamed, reorganized, or fully adjusted by the administrator using simple drag and drop. This ensures each business unit has the exact structure it needs while still keeping all submissions standardized. We now move to the web form that the end user actually fills out. The form already comes with many fields pre-filled, but everything remains fully editable. Nothing is locked. At any moment, the user can adjust names, selections, or uploaded files before submitting. 1. Basic information. This section includes the request details and the requisitioner's signature, which appears at the top of the form. All values can be modified if needed. 2. Customer details. Here, we select all customer information such as group, branch, zone, and the responsible team members. Most options are presented as drop-downs to ensure consistency and avoid manual typing. 3. Customer address and location. This section captures the customer's address and basic contact information such as district, state, PIN code, and communication details. 4. Tax and compliance information. This section contains all statutory and compliance fields. It also includes document uploads required for verification. 5. Commercial terms and payment. In this part, we define the customer's commercial conditions. There is also a mandatory upload for the credit approval documentation. 6. Customer bank details. Finally, we add the banking information. This section also includes required supporting documents, such as proof of address and bank verification files. Once everything is completed, the form is submitted, and the workflow begins automatically. This is the full workflow path that the document will follow. Start goes to approver, then goes to creator in AX, then goes to tag, rename, and folder, and finally goes to end. At any approval step, rejection sends the request back to the submitter with notes. 1. Approval path. The approver receives an email notifying them that a document requires their review. They preview the document and take any actions needed. When they select approve, the process goes to the creator in AX step. If they approve, the system automatically handles the necessary updates and organizes the document, ensuring it is stored correctly. 2. Rejection path. If the approver rejects the request, an email is sent back to the submitter, and by clicking the button in the email, the submitter is redirected to the form. The submitter receives the comments, reviews what needs to be adjusted, updates the data or any required annexures, and then resubmits the form, following the same workflow from the beginning once again. Both paths are shown to demonstrate the full capability of the workflow. 1. MyQ. Now let's walk through how the system manages and tracks the entire process. Here, users can see all pending and completed actions in real time. We can see the customer registration waiting for AX approval. 2. DocQ Drive. Once fully approved, DocQ will automatically store the final version in the correct folder, apply the correct tags, and use the standardized renaming rule defined in the workflow. This ensures the document is saved with the proper name and is easy to find at any time. 3. Document history. The audit trail captures every action. Form submission, approver decisions, creator and AX actions, tags applied, and final storage. Every signature, timestamp, and user action is fully tracked. Here is the fully generated document, automatically populated with all submitted data, correctly formatted, renamed, tagged, and stored. This completes the customer registration demo. We created the customer, submitted the form, followed the approval steps, and saw the document automatically stored and tracked inside DocQ. Everything is organized, audited, and easy to navigate. Thank you for watching.